meeting. Welcome once again. Very good evening to all of you. Let's start the meeting. Okay. Screen is visible. Okay. So, is like last week when we were here around here, we talk about the like Nifty where Nifty can go. This is the 50 weeks moving average. So it took the support over here. Like on 16 December weekly. This is the weekly chart and bounce back. Given the bounce back also, but after that last week on like 6th January week the Nifty broke this 50 moving days, like 50 moving average, and it is now trading below this average. So, if we draw down the bigger picture, so this is the like kind of a triangular pattern which Nifty is forming. Either way, it can break down from here also. It can give breakout from upward here also, but we never know. But in this channel it will like consolidate for some period of time, maybe like 1 month, 2 month. It can take more time also. Okay. So currently if we look at the supports and all, the supports and all are like a little bit far away. The very big support is right now is currently at this level 22,600, and like 22,600 to 22 like 900. So this is the like bigger support zone where Nifty should take the support. After that, like next support will be around like this level 21,300, and last uh, like worst case scenario, this is the last support like 20,000, like 20,200 something odd levels. Okay. So these two levels are very far away from here, but just for the educational purpose, this is I suggested. But in my opinion, Nifty should take support over here also. Like it should take in between these two levels, 22,500 to 22,900. This is a rock solid support zone where it should take a support really well, and gives like a really good recovery. But as I mentioned in the last meeting around I think it was like in December only, last around 31st or like 29th of December, I think. Yes, 29th December, that first 6 months of calendar year 25 will be tough for the like investor, because tough in the sense ki if you are here for a short term profit generation, it will be a tough. Otherwise, for a long term investor like me, like I am very happy right now, because I am getting each and every stock at a very reasonable price, at a discounted price. So for a long term perspective, it is a very good opportunity uh, for the next 6 months. It will be a very good opportunity to accumulate the good quality stock at a good discounted price for a long term wealth creation. Okay. So next is our mid cap Nifty. When we talked last time, the on the like 30th December, it was around here like approximately 21,419 odd level. But last 2 weeks it's given like a tremendous like correction. Like if we correct like last 2 week only, it is corrected around like more than 7%, and bottom was like more than 10%, 9 sorry 9.66%. And from if we calculate it from from top, then already it has corrected more than 11 percentage. Currently, if we look at this, uh, 18 bars, like 126 days. So already like 11 percentage it has corrected, right? So uh, the like good correction, we can say it has given. But one thing is which is not good is the mid cap Nifty index is trading below its 50-week moving average. First, second is this is also a support level, 20,000 odd level. It is also trading below this level. What is the next support level? The next support level is like very far away. It's 18,000 level. So next support level is here, but we don't know where it will take actually support and where it will make a bottom and like short term bottom and can give a bounce back. So that's why for a mid cap and small cap, don't go aggressive right now. We will analyze the situation. Some kind of some like some sort of quality stocks are there which we can enter as it is a discounted level, which we will talk later. And now small cap index. Same kind of pattern, like approximately 7 to 8 percentage down. Okay, more than 8%, 9.38 percentage down in last 2 weeks. Small cap index, if we calculate from the top to here, it's almost same level, 12 percentage down from top to right now currently. Same way, it is also like trading below 50 weeks moving average. And the last support when last time when in November it give bounce back from here, it was 17,600 level, but now currently it is trading below this level. But for the small cap, it is the support zone is around 17,000 odd level. Next support is over here, 16,300. So there are the support zone is pretty much compared to mid cap Nifty. The support zones are near in case of small cap Nifty. Sorry, yes, small cap index. So if we look at the three index, the I suggested that don't go aggressive in any case. But yeah, if you find any like quality stock, do discuss with me. We will discuss it regarding fundamental and technicals. And if it is really good, then it is a very good opportunity for coming 6 months to like accumulate a good quality stock at a reasonable price for a long term wealth creation. Now the coming to the my today's topic is the five sectors for 2025. Okay, so first sector is finalization of saving in means capital market related theme. Because if as we seen the demat account like post covid, it is already 4x. Demat account has gone up from FY20 FY14 to FY20. It hardly like doubled. Like it took 6 years to get doubled, and still it is not doubled. If we look at the 2.2 crore to 4.1 crore, if we doubled it, then it should be a 4.4 crore. But from COVID zone, 4.1 crore, right? Currently, almost like already more than 4x, 17.5 crore Demat account. So this CAGR growth is very good for the purpose of capital market related participants. Mutual fund AUM, we can see the sharp surge in mutual fund AUM. See, mutual fund AUM has a two aspect. One is investment, and second is the growth in the already invested amount. So that's why in FY19 it's around 24 lakhs crore, and in FY20 it went down because of the COVID. The market corrected more than like 30 to 40 percentage. That's why the AUM went down to like 22.3 crore. And the last 2 years, like it is a really good growth in terms of value, in terms of investment also. If we look at this, like in monthly SIP flows crossed 25,000 crore in October. But this is the October figure. If we look at the current figure, if we look at the this is the November figure, 25,320 crore. And I think in December, I think December it's like 26,449 So like huge, like potential and huge growth in SIP flows also. So this will also benefit these capital market related companies for a better like for upcoming years also. This is the mutual fund AUM as a percentage of GDP, and India is right currently we have 18 percentage only in terms of we have a what is our AUM in terms of GDP. So uh, average of world is around 65 percentage. So we can go till 65 in like easily, but easily in the sense in upcoming like decade or two, 1 or 2 decades. So this is the this will be the growth trajectory for us in upcoming years. What are the companies in value chain? The AMC, like asset management company like HDFC AMC, which is listed. This is all listed company first of all. Nippon India, UTI. Then distributor and retail wealth management like Prudent, Anand Rathi Wealth, then Wealth First, RTF. I am the like personally holding CAMS. Like I am holding from the IPO level like 1213 rupees level, currently around at 4400 rupees level. So KMS and KFintech are only two RTA which manage the all the mutual funds and all. If you look at the demand perspective, the CDSL and BSE are currently listed. As per the news, like NSDL is coming with the IPO, in like 3 to 4 months. NSE is also preparing for the IPO, but there are some regulatory like compliance which is pending from their side. So it will take some time, but they are also coming with the IPO. So this is the companies which are really good. Some of the companies I already hold is CAMS, CDSL. I suggested once in the group, like not in ours, but when I was giving free advice at that time, I suggested BSE same. I had like suggested around like very like a small level when it was around 500 rupees or something 400 rupees level. I suggested that company right now like more than 5500 rupees level. Second is wastewater, sorry, water and wastewater industry. The current water scenario in India is like 18 percentage of people population, and and like we are almost 18 percentage of population of world. Like every one person out of 5 person is from India in all over world, right? And only we have 4 percentage of water resources. सो वही है कि हमको स्ट्रेस ज्यादा है कि वाटर को हम सबसे ज्यादा बेस्ट मैनर में यूटिलाइज करना है. व्हाट इज द वाटर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स? 70% ऑफ वाटर बीइंग कंटेमिनेटेड, मतलब कि गंदा है, कि उसको हमको रिसाइकल करना है. या तो हम उसको वेस्ट जाने देते हैं या उसको रिसाइकल करना चाहिए. सो मैसिव गैप इन द वाटर वेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट कैपेसिटी. अभी जो है अगर देश 2020 में देखें तो अगर हम एस्टिमेटेड वेस्ट जनरेशन, सो 72,368 MLD हम वेस्ट जनरेट करते हैं. और उसको ट्रीटमेंट करने की कैपेसिटी हमारे पास सिर्फ 36,000 की ही थी इन 2020. बट अगर हम आज से 30 साल बाद, यानी कि अभी आज से 25 साल बाद की बात करें, तो वेस्ट जनरेशन हमारा डबल हो जाएगा, ऑलमोस्ट डबल से भी ज्यादा। पर ट्रीटमेंट कैपेसिटी हम ऑलमोस्ट सेम लेवल पे लेके आएंगे। मतलब अगर हम ट्रीटमेंट की बात करें तो 36,000 कैपेसिटी से 1,30,000 पे जाने वाले। तो CAGR टर्म्स में वो लाइक बहुत ही बड़ा नंबर रहेगा। सो अब ऑल, और अभी अगर गवर्नमेंट देखेगी तो गवर्नमेंट भी इस सेक्टर के लिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा बजट अलोकेशन कर रही है। अगर सिर्फ लास्ट ईयर का अगर फिगर देखें तो 98,700 का था बजट एलोकेशन जल शक्ति मिनिस्टर के द्वारा। What are the companies engaged in this value chain? First is EMS, Vatek Wabag, Ionic Exchange, and my favorite is VPRPL. If we look at the chart of the like, so if we look at this chart, it is at like almost 50-week support level. So generally it took support over here. So I think it can act as a support level also. So if anyone is looking at this company, currently looking really good, buy zone is around 572, like in between 634, yes, 634, sorry, 614. So this is the buy zone. And if anyone wants to enter, and the one and follow one system only, buy first of all only 0.25 percentage, and whenever it makes new weekly high compared to previous high, then and only then add more. Otherwise don't add. Otherwise you will add in loss, and you will make bigger losses. Never accumulate, never accumulate in downtrend. Okay, always accumulate in uptrend. So it will you will be in a profitable trade, rather than you will accumulate here, accumulate here, accumulate here. The all will be in the losses. Okay, so don't do like this. So this is the like buy zone. We can put a stop loss over like here, and if anyone wants to enter, add 0.25 percentage, and it makes new 50 and make new weekly high, not 52 week high. Just saying weekly high compared to this week, then you can add more and more. Next company was EMS Limited. This is also a good company. Like kindly, they are looking like this. This is the like a kind of support level 734. So like slightly new company, so can't say much right now. But yeah, fundamentally it was really good company. So in this kind of two levels, you can add if you want to add. The stop loss would be like little bit far away here, 641. The next company was Vatek Wabag, I think. Yes, Vatek Wabag. Yeah, this is also a good company. The like exactly it took like support over here. I already prepared this chart very like long ago, and exactly it took support over here. If we look at this like weekly candle, so it took support over here 1419 rupees something odd level, and like bounce back. So it is already above this 50-week moving average. So in compared to other chart, it is like kindly looking very strong in compared to previous two charts. What VPRPL is in my portfolio. uh, Really good chart it was 2 week ago, but right now it is not really good chart. It has given a like correction, but this is the very good support, 228 rupees level. So below this level I will like book my profit, actually book my profit, because I entered over here 160 rupees level. So like I added over here, so my average is roughly between 190 something odd level. So currently, right, it has for like tried to give a breakout above this level, but it can't give, and due to the market situation, it is right, like currently at 250 rupees level. But if we look at the fundamentals of this four company, the VPRPL is the cheapest company. If we look at the fundamentals, VPRPL is at 25 P. Uh, Wabag. Vatek Wabag is 36 P. And the next was ION Exchange 43p, and the EMS Limited. EMS was, oh, okay, EMS is also 25. Like, so if anyone wants to enter EMS or VPRPL, both are really good. EMS at 4,000 crore market cap, VPRPL is 3,000 crore market cap. So both are like kind of small to mid cap company. So both are in water supply projects. So like really good sector and really good company. My favorite is EMS and VPRPL. VPRPL I am already holding. I am thinking about to add EMS also. So right now this is my disclaimer. Data center, I already talked about it in the last meeting, so I will not cover right now. But if anyone wants to get this PDF, I will definitely share with you. So already talked about it, so I will not right now talk about much in detail. But I was like researching about the sector, so I found that there are two three companies which are really good. One is Black Box. They will like for the security system, fire protection, security alarms, and cyber security related companies. So like like 10,000 crore market cap company, 47 PE, and like they are really doing good. If anything, they are mainly in the system integration, technology, product solution, and consulting business. So if anything which will be fruitful for them, it will definitely to like beneficial for them to like it will give really good boost for them, if anything fruitful from the data center related business. So I'm looking forward to this company. Will deep dive into the company later. Just I like took the bird view right now, and like currently looking really good company. The another company was Schneider Electric, is also a good company. KRN Heat Exchanger, already a good company. L&T already I have suggested already in my portfolio. It's already a good company. Next theme is power and transformer sector. Multi-decade rise in transmission and distribution capex. So not power generation, but power transmission is a very big issue in the India. And now the like with emerging technology, like we need more power because we are going in a EV area. We are using like nowadays electronic vehicles, and the our railway system is going on the electric, of like fully on electric mode. So we need more electric power, and due to that, we need to transmit it from the power generator, like the companies who generate the energy, and the to the end consumer. So the transformer and the power transmission or power distribution, this kind of company which is in the middle, they are doing really good. This is the like new cycle in the capex. They have done really good capex right now. If we look at the like actual figures, the some of the good companies are Transformer and Refractories India, Voltemp, then Hitachi Energy. Next is electronic manufacturing services. Uh, yes, India's per capita consumption of electronics is well below the global average. If we look at the like global, it is around like 324 USD per person, but we are just using $78 per person. Yes, our per capita income is also like in compared to globe is low, but in terms of percentage wise, we are very underpenetrated. So our per capita consumption will also rise as soon as our per capita income will also rise. I was reading something data regarding that. Our per capita income is around like 2700 US dollar. But if we look at the state wise, then like mo- very like most of the big our Gujarat, Maharashtra, they are earning more than $6,000 per per person. So, but some of the state like UP, Bihar, they are not generating per capita income very well. They are like around $1,000 or $1,200 per person. So, but what is the point right now? That $78 per person usage of electronics, which can increase in in future till like $200 or more than it. Okay, so that will create a another growth trajectory for the electronic consumption. The growth drivers for EMS companies, electronic manufacturing company, like lead time, cost competitiveness, competitive exports. Yeah, we are doing exports also now, right now. Uh, like uh, uh, 1 or 2 days ago, I watched the reel of Sri Ashwini Vaishnav, our minister of cabinet minister, related to Sirma SGS. They will produce our laptop, India made laptop. Yes, this is the very good scheme, product PLI scheme. It will benefit for like mobile manufacturing, automobile component, PV modules, at IT hardware, and whatsoever. There are n number of lists. Okay, listed company which will just I talked about Sirma SGS. I just saw the like 2 days ago the reel was there for about this company Sirma SGS with the our Ashwini Vaishnav ji, related to some laptop related India made in India laptop related. PG Electropast, Umber, Dixon, Epic Durables, Kens Technology. So each and every company is really good. um, my favorite is PG Electropast and Apex Durable in this segment. Like this is it from my side today. Already talked about the four sectors. The data center related I already talked in the last meeting. So this was it from my side. If anyone wants this presentation, I will definitely share it with you. If we deep down into this company, I already deep down in the wastewater management related company. I think currently due to the market situation, it is like VPRPL and EMS limited is down. But in my opinion, like the future is very bright for them. For the both of the company, EMS Limited and the Vishnu Prakash Arpungalia, both uh, like only the matter of thing is the whenever they will execute the order which already have, and they will get new orders also. So it will be the execution related story. As soon as they will execute their project, the price action will always follow with this company. In my opinion, both companies are at like really good level, reasonable P. If we look at the EMS, it's like almost 26 P, and Vishnu Prakash Arpungalia is also at like almost 26 P, 25 26 P. 25.4p. So both are at very reasonable price. So in my opinion, this is the really good company. One company which another company, this is not from the this five sector, but this can be a good company for like short term or long term, long term point of view. SW Solar, I think Reliance New Energy, yeah, like Reliance is owning this company. 32 percentage ownership is with Reliance. So this was the company which went bankrupt kindly. but after the Reliance intervention and all, uh, uh, kind of we can say it is a turnaround case. If they will execute properly, if they will execute proper, I think like it is at currently at 200-week moving average. So this is the last support in my opinion. And if we look at this pattern from here, it has given the breakout in December 23. So 394 around little bit up. Yes, 404. So 404 rupees level is the like kind of support zone. And exactly this week, exactly it took support at 403. If you look at here, if you look at here, it exactly took support at 403 level. So this is the good level. Like this is only for the risky investor who can like it can go to the like 100 rupees level or 300 rupees level or 200 rupees level also. So I never know, we never know. But if it turn around, it can go like 800 rupees level and more than that also, because it is only on the thing that whether it will turn around or not. If it will, it can go really well, then definitely the price action will follow. If they will not execute as per their plan, then definitely the price can go to the 300, 200, and below that level also. So only for the risky investor who can take risk. So right now it is at support level. The support zone is around like 398 rupees. So if anyone is entering here, they can enter here and put 10 percentage down from here, from support like 367 old level. It can be a stop loss, and like you can enter like 0.25 percentage right now, and in after every new weekly high, then little bit add, and add till here. Like above this level, we need not to add, because around this level we can book profit also. We should not every stock we should not hold till um uh, like lifetime. So this is the like currently looking very good, like because of this market condition and each and everything. The like company is like just around like the 1.5 year ago, the whenever it gives the breakout at that level, it come again. So in my opinion, it's a really good company. But the company in terms of a promoter, because the promoters are like Saponji Polonji Group and the Reliance New Energy, like the Reliance uh, Motabhai, Mukesh Ambani. So promoters are really good. So I think there should not be any problem in terms of execution. So they will execute as per their plan, and if they can do, and this will be a really good company for like next 6 to 12 months also. So I'm looking forward to this company. Like I uh, already invested in this company last week, and I will also add right now around 400 rupees, 420, 430 rupees level. So disclaimer from my side, I already holding this company, and if anyone wants to enter, follow the same system, 0.25 percentage right now, and then add in every new weekly high compared to previous week high. Okay. So this was it from my side. If any query with you, then you can directly message to me. We will discuss it later tomorrow. We can also talk one on one whenever you feel free. We will get time and we will discuss the related to your portfolio review and anything you want to do. Right now I will suggest don't go aggressive in mid cap and small cap. Whatever you are buying, buy with full conviction, because right now the main thing which investor need is the right mindset and the right behavior. Okay. we all have money, we all have knowledge also. But right now, the after so many time, the market has given a really good correction. I am saying really good correction in terms of the big correction also, but it is also necessary for the bull market, because without this kind of correction, the boys and the men cannot be bifurcated. So it is a really good for the really the person who want to create the wealth for a future, not just for the short term profit. Yes, the person who do the only trade, they will get frustrated right now, because each and every trade is getting stop lost. So right now this kind of market is there. This was it for the today. Thank you for the joining, and good night everyone.